Morning guys, today I'm gonna make or fried taquitos. Okay, so we need corn flour guys, corn flour tortillas. I put a little water like a damp paper towel, and then it's the paper towel is a little wet, and then cover in the corn tortillas and then put in the microwave for 45 seconds. Okay, so this is the result guys. So this is it. Okay, and then I have a leftover picadillo, and then this one toothpick we need in putting toothpick so that it will not be loose. Okay, so to start, okay, I'm gonna put like this meat. It's clear. Okay, and then I'm gonna do like this guys. Okay, and then we're gonna put toothpick, okay, at the center. Okay, and then we can add some more here so that it will not be came out. Okay, I add some more, and then here also. Okay, so this is it guys. Oh, look at that one. And then we're gonna put it here first, and the next same. Let's try this one because it seems that it's not okay. I'm gonna do it here. So the corn tortillas guys is good for this one, because there's another tortillas, but it's a flour tortilla, and this one is corn. Okay. Toothpick. Okay. I'm gonna add some more. You can put also cheese or whatever you want to put inside. Okay. Okay, and put it there. And the next, put some more here so that it's overloaded. We can buy this one also frozen at S&R. They have like this, they put in the box and it's frozen, and you can fry it when you don't want to make like this. You can buy frozen at S&R guys. Okay, next. Okay, this one is good because there's no hole. I don't know what bros did. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna use 4 each every time I want. Okay, 4 for 190 degrees Celsius, and then for 4 minutes. Guys, so it's done. So, look at that one there. Okay. This one. And there's a one because this one is the one is store up because that one is store up already. Okay. So, okay. It's very yummy, guys. Because this is a corn flour. We use corn flour. So, I'm gonna taste this one, guys. Okay. And don't forget to get the toothpick. Okay. So, I'm gonna taste, guys. It's very crunchy, oh. Mmm. 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 It's yummy, guys. It's very crunchy. Mmm, it's super hot. It's super hot, but it's very crunchy and yummy. It's good if you are the one making, guys, because we can go on how much meat do we put because it's not commercial, so that's why it's very yummy. It's super yummy. It's super yummy, but it's super hot. But I can manage, okay? But I need a promise, guys. It's crunchy, crispy. Okay? Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, and then personal blog, please hit the notification bell and subscribe so that you will be notified every day. Okay? So, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.